How to delete a story album on Emo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete a story album on Emo app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Emo. Once you are there, click on the profile icon up there. Once you are on your profile, you're gonna find story album and choose one of your stories album. For example, I have only one. Click on it and you're gonna find delete, or you can click on it and click on delete icon up there so easily. For example, this one, and click on delete and delete. And like you see now, I have no stories album on my profile. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe and like.